Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by powering the Cast TV Connect and making sure it's visible. The LED indicates readiness. Once done, put your phone or laptop on the same Wi-Fi band as the device so discovery works reliably. Next, open the Cast app or any Cast-enabled app and tap the Cast icon. You're starting the connection now. The device lists will populate. If it doesn't appear, make sure network isolation or guest mode isn't blocking device discovery. You select the Cast TV Connect entry and accept the pairing prompts that appear. This establishes a secure link. Then, follow any on-screen code or PIN entry. This prevents accidental connections and explains why the prompt exists. After pairing, make sure to grant media and control permissions so playback and remote control work. Next, check device settings to set output resolution and audio routing to match your TV and sound system, which prevents stuttering, and you finish by testing playback with a short clip to confirm video and audio sync and that the Cast fills the screen correctly. If you notice hiccups, open the device menu and update firmware, or change Wi-Fi channels to reduce interference. That's why updates and channel choices matter. If issues persist, reboot the Cast TV Connect, restart your router, and lastly, perform a factory reset. One key troubleshooting tip: always try a device restart first. It fixes most transient network and pairing errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.